The P2138 code indicates a voltage correlation between the accelerator pedal position sensor D and E. What does this mean? In vehicles with an electronic throttle, there are multiple sensors inside the accelerator pedal to ensure safety and accuracy. P2138 means the computer detects that the voltage readings from two of these sensors don't match, indicating a problem with how the engine is understanding your intention to accelerate. The most common symptoms are an illuminated check engine light. The engine may go into limp mode with very limited power, lack of throttle response, or erratic or uncontrollable acceleration. So, if the P2138 code pops up, taking action is really crucial. The very first step you should take is to verify the code with an OBD2 scanner. Now, the most common culprit here is a faulty accelerator pedal position, or APP, sensor. You should visually inspect the pedal and the sensor for any physical damage, dirt, or obstructions that might be causing issues. Also, it's important to check the APP sensor wiring and connector for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. In some cases, though it's less common, a problem with the engine computer, either the ECM or PCM, could be the root cause. And whatever you do, don't ignore code P2138. A problem with the accelerator pedal sensor correlation can lead to a sudden loss of power or even worse, unwanted or uncontrolled acceleration. This creates an extremely dangerous driving situation. Plus, it can cause transmission damage if the engine isn't properly controlled.